Plunge pools are taking the world of backyard leisure by storm. Getting their start in luxury hotels, but gaining popularity over the past few years, a plunge pool has dimensions that are smaller than other traditional pools. Whether you are choosing an above-ground or in-ground setup, plunge pools are a great opportunity to obtain a pool in your backyard that is both very manageable and very economical. Installation and setup typically are complete within a couple of days with minimal disturbance to your property. This allows you to be enjoying a backyard pool in a very short amount of time. We offer a plunge pool that is crafted from fiberglass. It is durable and modern while providing maximum interior room. It's 4 feet deep and has dimensions of 10 foot by 16 feet. These pools have elegant entry steps, plenty of seating, and an attractive bright blue interior. They come auto cover ready, allowing for security and savings. Because the pool is so small, it gets you away from the time and responsibility commitments that usually come with full-size pools. A fiberglass plunge pool holds a very manageable 2,450 gallons, and you also spend less money on chemicals and electrical costs in the long run. Utilized for everything from casually relaxing to aquatic exercises, a plunge pool is larger than a hot tub, allowing for more relaxation space, but still small enough to enjoy the company of your friends and family. They say there is no such thing as a maintenance-free swimming pool, but fiberglass plunge pools are very manageable hybrids and can get you pretty darn close. Whether it's a hot summer night, a brisk fall day, or even a New Year's Eve party, you can configure your fiberglass plunge pool to operate 24/7 if you so choose. Many people choose to install it close to their homes so you don't have to go very far during the colder months. Our fiberglass plunge pool price in 2019 is just over $28,000. Limited pool operating expenses may allow you the financial space to really apply a personal touch with many customizable extras that are available. Some of these choices include LED mood lighting, temperature control, alternative water treatment options, salt generators, and more. Installation includes a variable speed pump, a pool filter, along with full plumbing, main drains, skimmer, and return lines. Other things that come standard are a maintenance kit, a test kit, vacuum, robotic pool cleaner, and water to fill the pool as is needed. A plunge pool helps you in maximizing your time outdoors without investing in a larger pool. You can swim, float, lay around, or anything else in your new backyard paradise. We would be more than happy to assist you or answer any questions you may have. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel so inclined, please like, share, comment, find us on Facebook, and subscribe if you haven't already. Or click the bell notification to receive our most updated content. This is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and thanks for watching.